So you want to determine from which room it would be the most difficult to get to your means of egress. I believe I picked this room. So you want to draw a travel path that you can imagine someone in the building taking to get to the exits. So again, you go into our line command and draw a line from here down this corridor to your stairs here. And again, imagining that same person traveling down this way. Okay, so once you've determined like the travel path, then you're gonna start to place your exit signs where it would be logical to have an exit sign. So if we have someone exit from this room, they'd probably want to see an exit sign telling them which way to go. So once you leave this room, you'll see an exit sign here telling you to go in this direction. Also, as an example, once you get here, you see an exit sign telling you to go this way to these stairs. So the exit signs you sort of have to think about and determine what makes sense depending on someone exiting from this room and looking in this direction and just knowing which way to go. So to delineate which way to go, you'd have an arrow over the top of the exit sign telling people which way to go. Alright. So the next part of the assignment would be to create the partitions, the fired partitions that make the hallway a safe means of egress. And the type of fire rated wall you use is going to depend on the construction type. So here, if you click on the line type, you'll see 1 hour rated wall, 2 hour wall, a 4 hour wall, and depending on the construction type, you'll select the fire rating. So what you do with that is you would pretty much carve out the corridor. So you would, if you look at the example on Dropbox, it kind of shows you exactly what to do. You're just tracing the entire length of the corridor to ensure that people can travel safely in case of a fire or emergency. So you would trace the entire length of the floor from here. Alright, so yeah, you'd pretty much trace the entire corridor on your floor plate. And for your travel path, you'd probably want to make that like a center line. So you'd again go to your line type and make it hidden to or a center line, just a dashed line that's different from your hour rating and different from your dimension lines, of course. So I think that is pretty much what you need to know regarding the CAD part for this assignment. If you have questions about the exit signs, where to put exit signs, where to hatch to show the illuminated face of the exit sign, where your arrow should be pointing, you can just email me or email Professor Sidweeks, and we'll answer your questions.